We have new details on the chase and standoff on Highway 169 near Collinsville. We brought this to you as breaking news around this time yesterday. We told you it started after a breakup and the man was considered suicidal.
Rogers County Sheriff Scott Walton told us most of the calls into his office deal with mental health. Fox 23's Kaylee Carnine is live after talking to the sheriff about how hard it is to handle these calls while trying to keep that person, the public, and the deputies safe.
Sheriff Walton says they saw the best possible outcome from yesterday's standoff, but calls like these make decisions hard for law enforcement.
One of the toughest components, if not the toughest component of the law enforcement profession today is ability to deal with mental health issues. And because, I mean, it's call after call after call.
Rogers County Sheriff Scott Walton says that deputies receive extensive training on de-escalating and how to handle someone experiencing a mental health crisis. He says no amount of training can prepare you for situations that become scary and escalate.
The challenges today that law enforcement has to make the right decisions that have to be made oh so quickly.
Tuesday, 5 different law enforcement agencies, including the Rogers County Sheriff's Office, responded to a well-being call along Highway 169 in Collinsville. Call quickly turned into a standoff with a potentially armed suspect. Sheriff Walton says the suspect, Donald Schnell, then drove down the wrong way on the highway and hit an OHP cruiser. Schnell then allegedly drove at a Tulsa County deputy who, in self-defense, fired shots towards Schnell. Law enforcement threw pepper balls at the man. Luckily, everyone went home alive, and Schnell was booked in the Rogers County Jail for assault with a dangerous weapon and eluding police. Walton says that law enforcement agencies sometimes walk a fine line when trying to save someone who's having a mental health crisis and protecting themselves and the community.
Our actions are criticized, by the fact that whatever we did escalated their emotions to cause them to do something stupid that got somebody hurt.
Sheriff Walton says Rogers County deputies have iPads that they take to mental health calls and that people can speak with mental health professionals virtually. Live in Claremore, covering News That Matters, Kaylee Carnine, Fox 23 News.
And if you or someone you know needs mental health help, you can call 988 anytime, day or night.